Hey, I'm James from Smokin' Dad Barbecue, and today we're making awesome flat iron steaks with a homemade chimichurri sauce. So we're going to marinate these for a couple hours before we cook them outside on the Kamado Joe, and to do that, I've got a little bit of Worcestershire, some fresh black ground pepper, and some Diamond Kosher crystal sea salt. Now, I had never heard of this steak before, but my local butcher, Peter from J&G's, said, come on by. He's gonna show me how to prep and cook these. So why don't we go back, meet Peter, while I get this marinade on. And today I'm with
Peter from J&G Quality Meats.
And if you can follow my feed, I'm always looking for new meats to try. Pete says he's got a suggestion. What are we in for?
We're gonna do flat iron steak.
Awesome, can't wait to learn about it. All right, so what are we looking at? What's a flat iron?
So a flat iron comes from the blade, it's the top of the blade. But the problem with the flat iron is it's got a great big gristle right through the center of it. You can see it right there. I would not want to chew on that if I was you.
Right.
So we're gonna sieve it out.
Okay.
And it is, some people say, the second best cut of meat on a beef.
Oh, right on.
So you'll find out.
I'm excited.
Okay.
Great, all right, let's trim it out. All right, so tell us just a quick overview. So what were you doing there and fast forward?
So I was just pulling off the good parts away from the sinew and the gristle.
Great, awesome. So from here, the marbling looks awesome. Any recommendations on how to cook it?
There again, I would go with some kind of a marinade, and I would go hot and fast.
Love it. Well, I can't wait to try it. Thanks so much for walking us through the flat iron steak.
Not a problem. Thanks, James.
All right, it's time to make up our chimichurri sauce for these two gorgeous flat iron steaks. So I'm doing this about an hour or so before I'm gonna fire up the Kamado Joe and get ready to sear these so that all the flavors have time to come together. So what you're gonna need to make this recipe is some fresh Italian parsley, and I'll put the exact amount in the description below so you don't have to take mad notes. A jalapeno, some garlic. You can either use cloves or what I have here is already in a mash, some white rice vinegar, some olive oil, some red pepper flakes, and some coarse sea salt. So we're gonna get to work blending these all together. I'll take you a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing in high speed, and then we'll go outside and fire up the Kamado Joe. I've never done a flat iron steak before, but I've done lots of other similar cuts. The way that they always come out great for me is to set the grill grates up on the bottom position of the divide and conquer and go for Inferno mode. I love Inferno mode. If you've been following my Instagram page or YouTube page, you know I love cooking over a live fire nice and close. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna get the heat and the fire going on the Kamado Joe, and then we're gonna bring out our flat iron steaks and sear them. I'm thinking 45 seconds or so per side, and we should be pretty close. Let's get lit up and we'll find out. All right, we are up to temperature, and this cook is gonna be over quick, so you're not gonna wanna tune away, you'll miss it. So we're running just about 600-700 degrees. I think that's a perfect temperature when we have the grill grates down low. Any hotter than that will burn before we get any sort of cooking all the way through. So we're gonna drop on our flat iron steaks and give them about 30-45 seconds aside, check them out, flip them, and then we're gonna let them rest for 10 minutes. Let's do it. Okay, meet you inside. All right, let's slice these up and drizzle on top our chimichurri. Look at that. Perfect. Edge to edge, medium rare. Looks good. All right, thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. It's been a lot of fun learning from Peter how to prepare and trim out these flat iron steaks, to making our chimichurri, to searing them on the Kamado Joe. It's time to go dig in and enjoy with the family, but before I leave you, time for the mandatory plug. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to catch future videos and turn on the notification bell. I'm also starting a fan mail section, so if you have any questions or requests or things you'd like to see me cook, please go ahead and let me know in the comments below. I try my best to respond to all comments quickly. Let me know if there's something you want to see me cook or a question you have about grilling. Be more than happy to answer it. Anyways, until next time, stay safe. We'll see you then.